CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ki bor penya jong ki college bat ki jaka pule kin hab ban Pynlong Beit ye ka common university entrance test kat kum gajing ptha jong ka Ministry of Education ka Sarkar India hakajing elang bala Pynlong da ka school ba North Eastern Hills University bat ki principals lembat ki nong penya jong ki jaka pule hakasni palai jong ka arpu waiterik ubnaya yong arjar arpu ar kila shimnya ka rai ban ya bet shakman ban priang ye ka common university entrance test Hakajingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ke jingyalang u vice chancellor jong school ba Nehu u professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ulong bagajing khot ye kene ke jingyalang hagane ke ski kalong banya theria wo bat banya tai sani bha kumno ban Pynlong ye kene ke examen na ka benta ban penrung kelas ye ki samla pule ki ba angnot ban peteng ye ki jing pule ki ba kham shajarong
university kya hai state government to implement the CUSET other mulai going to implement the CUSET. Problems are there. We will sit together and find out the solution of the problem. Actually, that is we will sit together and discuss the problem and find out the solution.
No, okay. But what have you decided from this meeting?
Implementation of the CUSET. Actually, after the finally the meeting was called by the education minister. Finally, I am not authority to give anything.
The CUET will go ahead. It is compulsory for all the students who are taking admissions into UG courses of colleges affiliated to Northeastern Hill University and the students seeking admission into the university. CUET is compulsory, and this is not coming from Northeastern Hill University. It is the order or notice from UGC, which is the authorizing body which is looking after the higher education system, and collectively the State Education Department and Northeastern Hill University has decided to go ahead with CUET and to sensitize the colleges, the students and the higher secondary schools, teachers, principals and students about what CUET is all about. The decision does not lie, it's not on the shoulders of Northeastern Hill University or the colleges affiliated to Northeastern Hill University or the state government. The decision is from UGC, and if there are students who are admitted into UG, then the students who are admitted into UG colleges affiliated to Nehu, then it is mandatory for the students to appear for CUET. That is what is said by the Vice Chancellor of the university on the notice received from UGC. Furthermore, the state government has also supported this decision, which will in long run benefit the students of the state. Address to the state department, state government, because the infrastructure, how the students will meet the infrastructure and whatever the logistics is required for the examination, it is the NTA which is conducting the exam, not Nehu. To be clear, Nehu is not conducting the exam. NTA is conducting the exam. So it is the responsibility, or I would say, it comes onto the shoulders of the state government, education department, how to look into this matter and address this issue to NTA, National Testing Agency, which will obviously increase the number of test centers in the state. From last meeting we had, I heard it was 3. Now they will increase. They might increase on assurance from the state government. We have to get assurance from the state government. If they pressurize the NTA, they take this issue to NTA, then the NTA will decide. I never said that onus is on the state government to arrange all these things. Okay. Onus is on the National Testing Agency. Okay. Don't misquote me. Okay? No. Onus is on the National Testing Agency to provide the test centers. Now, if the state government, they speak to NTA people, then it might help on increasing the number of test centers. That is what I say. The state government will not have to bear. You will have to speak about this thing to state government and the NTA agency.
The high secondary section, especially
given let's ke colleges undergraduate kinahap ban jale kan ke CUT 2022 te community pi ka time frame kolong ba kinahap ban register 6 of April till 6 of May te ka dong kami ki ba agar ka ban tip shabaro ki high school ya ki principal of the school atau baro ki institution ko ya kini student jogi Meghalaya ki nation data Lalu juga apa seketul kio ban register lagi enroll di atau colleges. Jom kini kesana 2022. Di ki details jom kini meeting mata saya nak kalian ke university, nak kalian ke government kinsa.
Nak kalian jong education minister lang bahaman ke district kinsa pembiang lagi gitu ke computer center kerang kena kilaban apa yang kedeka examination.
Kapan involved di rural area, cuma di state juga Khamtam Segoro Hills, Janta Hills, borong mah state juga. Di pembakapal mentah kalau membakar university kekuatan implement baik ya kan ya. Di gimdon option show. Kawai kapoin kapagi orang bakari bakar port lah, tibet pelat. Mal bakin register, kin appear exam. Sekawai kalau babun balang kim sutu, ya kan ya. Kibat kiblet, lain nak tak bah Shillong base, ane katok ane. Tinggi kuat sebab disseminate information siap borok ki students kan di bahasa Meghalaya bikin tip ya kan ya bikin apply bikin register nak bikin elek kena ke exam kata dia kawai ting ya kan bu bedi ki orang bagadan kan modal center baru ki district kata dia kawai ke ba kuat kan ki dakalong hadap kena penmi kita ke modal center kini ki kena ke district seberkat kin appear di ngatrai kini ke alongkam. Kalau kita kadang di transition period kini transition state di yang up melakukan program.
Maka ada acara kita biang kita di.
Kata ada kebagi kami minister
keren.
Bagaimana tip kan kalau kumno. First preference kalau kita bapa sih CUT 2022 kita preference admission ke undergraduate studies at colleges, affiliated colleges. Kita kaneka kaniku kita dah apa kaniku. Di ikini kita ipat kadang kat bagi sutu nama kapawan nak jengto bagi sutu kalau bah kadang ke cut off marks iki maybe 50 or 45 marks itu kita empat pass di sutu hi bagan kali ke balong mandatory baru kita apa appear kan di tengita ke exam kena kena biale kena ke course ke NCRT kemudian ke kelas 8 serum kan di kila don untuk ki slot ki berdele slot 1 slot 2 ki Kuet ki penpang tu di hagabedi batka berkini ki courses tikin hap apia betik untuk sebab kini ka kabadi ka course ko ni hu ngiakan nantam itu ki course combination subject combination ngamut kita bisa upload apa ka website ko ni hu apa ki permit ini kana National Education Policy 2020 ka aim hi jo kana ka NEP 2020 kalau ba kan reach to ka gross enrollment ratio saka 50%. Kuma kalau mata kadang 20 to 29%. Te nrai kadi implementation jo kadi ka CUT ngir ilong hakata ka delema ba kala ban hiar ke enrollment. Kan bon ka drop rate. Te ngilong concern ba ki principal so ka ngilong concern kan ya. Te nrai ngila address ka garu bat nakaliang ka university ki ko abi ben implement. Mar kini ki yo ka directive na ko ministry vi GC kamu supaya jaga dia hikurkom kolong ba imat hakane ka NEP policy kabangi isu tu mah kuno malah kolong ba kikwa hiba kini ki institution hi ki develop autonomous na mo kani ka central university kini ka central rule kadan kin follow kin register ka kin enroll dia ka central university sebarang ta plalit kini ki private university kata ni kata jeng temu kalau PCE mengi kan kata kalau engkau sedar, kalau mungkin long atur mas nak cakap, fikir kita long kebangi orang kita consultation tentang ini kerana Beit kita kita have further discussion antara level cuki, tiket sekolah solution kan. Lagi tu kita perkat hibi ke state, ini mungkin long deprive hibi kita biar kan.
Teki examination center conduct likely according to the notification kan. Kam kata ya
kari kata mengenai yang lada kimton haman lagi district kan bu jengai teh kena jungi boleh kata tu kata di sekolah tu government kamar bakal lalu lekot mati ke por tak tapi pelat kan tinggi ya kerana kata yang bagian ipor teki orang kadang don ke por di ya ajumut udah kalau bagian tok CGC ti leng ka university kam ai tin ero em kata ti ki suong ba yingi ba pinlet ki colleges sung pi ki school sung pi ban inform no ka